Okay, so we're back on the hill and we're looking at what we call the hill start. Stopping and parking at the side on the hill, securing the car properly and safely, and then getting going again. So heading up the hill, we're going to pick a spot. We're going to stop outside our friend's house, for example, checking out their new house they're building up there. And, you know, I've picked my spot, I'm going to park, I'm signaling to the left. What's going on, you know what's going on behind me as well, and I'm gently coming over. I'm keeping some accelerator on to keep the car coming over near to the curb. And then as it's just come to a nice smooth stop, brake on, handbrake on firmly, pop it into neutral, take the foot off the brake just to check the brake isn't, the handbrake's holding properly, and then put it in park. Cancel the signal. So that's us secured here firmly and strongly on the hill. We know the car's not going to roll away. To move off again, we look and check and see if the road's clear. We wait till the road to be clear. It's coming clear in a moment. We signal, put the foot on the brake, put it into drive, foot over the accelerator pedal, power it up to get going again like we did for our little stop and go task we learnt before, and then check the road behind, beside, of the window, release the handbrake and gently move away, cancelling the signal. And that is a hill start.